Vise Vs Carl. What? Yo, Vice, come here. Look at this shit. What's up? Me versus you. Why would we do that? I respect you. I would never fight you. No. Sorry, Angel. That would never happen. I respect him too much for that. Told you. Yeah, that ain't never gonna happen, man. Like, I respect him too much, plus this motherfucker saved my life a lot, too. All the times in the battles, this motherfucker saved my life. So, only way this would really happen is if we're, I guess, training or whatever. But like a whole fight to the death, nah. That ain't gonna happen. Just saying. Yeah, I agree. Like, a training session, yeah, that would make sense. But like, a fight to the death? Nah. Don't get me wrong, I am powerful. But would I use it against someone that I don't even hate? No. Only one I really hate here is Yandi. Yeah, only one I really hate here is Yandi. So, I mean, I hate the demon, you know, but that's just the way of, what's it? That's our pet name, if you will. No, I'm not dating Mario, or the demon. I'm not dating him. You should see the little fanfiction he made about me to understand that. Only one I'm really dating is Z. Am I right, Carl? Damn right, man. I know that. Motherfucker was fucking blushing like a motherfucker last night over that. Oh my god. Somebody made a fucking picture of it. Do you see that shit? Shit was hilarious. You're joking. You're actually joking. Someone drew a picture. You're joking. Nah, man, look at this. No fucking way. Oh my god. What's his name? Whelp? He did that? No fucking way, bro. Oh. No way. See, I told you, man, it's hilarious, right? Look at fucking, oh my god. Nah. I might kill whoever made this. Get used to it, Z. It's real now. I'm going to kill you. Love you too. All of you. Suck it. There ain't no way, man. Oh my god. That's some crazy shit. It's real now, guys. So, yeah, I know we lost the plot a little bit, but just to rehash this, it would be a training session. Not like a real fight to the death. But at least now you know that me x ZALGO is canon now. So, shut up. I'm going to kill you. Love you too, buddy. He's punching the bars of his cage right now. Oh my god. Look what you guys caused. I knew I had a reason that I didn't want to kill you guys. Just watch out for Z. He might want to kill you guys after this. Just saying. I'm the motherfucker crying emoji right now, man. This is insane. Oh my god. Y'all are fucking awesome. I support this shit 100%, alright?